Hello, thanks for joining us today. In this video, we're going to take a look at creating attic trusses within Vertex BD. As you can see, we have our roof truss structure modelled within Vertex BD already. Let's go back to our architectural model and hide our roof slips. We are going to make these for, on the end, an attic truss. We do this by selecting the individual trusses required, and then within the truss ribbon, we select the Edit Shape drop-down and select Edit Shape Parameters. Then, with the Truss Parameters window displayed, we select the Select option as shown, and within here we select Attic Truss Shape. With that completed, we then can choose the maximum horizontal space, the maximum height of the attic space, the floor thickness, and the roof thickness, which we will set to 300. Then we will select OK and OK again, and now, as you can see, we have our attic space created within our truss. To now create our truss framing to suit, we have a special tool. This is under Truss Structures and then Steel Structures as shown. Double click to select this. We can then choose the profile we use, say 89 by 41 by 1.2. Update all members, and then we have max spacing here, which we will leave as 600 and select OK. Now I'm going to pick these 4 trusses and then select OK. BD will then generate the trusses. Once this has completed, we will then come out of that command and go over to the framing model. We now have our created attic trusses as shown. Now let's create the drawing for these. Let's select each of our trusses we have amended. We right click and select Generate Truss Drawings, and we will use the Truss A4 option for this example. Now that is completed, let's open one of these truss drawings. Within here, let's right click and add dimension to view. We can then search here for attic, and we will select the attic horizontal distance option. And then we'll draw that one here. Let's add another one. This time, we can add a vertical distance, and that one we can add right about here. Now that those are added, we can close and save the drawing, and our attic trusses have been successfully created. Thanks for watching.